Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. I'm going to do some test shots. This is one I've got where someone is just lying down on the floor dead basically, and this is no special effects at this point. I just need to get it set for the lens and see how it's going to work and get it worked into the script properly. Alright, so let's get started. And action. Cut. So I got some test filming done, and we're going to work this into the script. It worked out very well. I was very pleased with Noi Noi that we used for assisting me today. He has actually held the camera sometimes, my cell phone rather, and doing some of the test shots for us. And he's worked out really well. I hope we'll use him quite well again. This is going to go into the script. How it worked out very well here again, and we'll be able to put the props and the special effects and makeup and the blood on it. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel, join our group, order, buy, and sell Morbid Team Entertainment, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page and share and like our videos. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.